We're a community, we're a growing network, and we aim to be a massive resource to your growth, to your capital raising, to your wealth preservation.
I came here basically from a recommendation from a friend. A friend came to me and said, you should come to the Family Office Summit. I was like, what's the Family Office Summit? And I've met a plethora of different types of investors that I was just not really expecting. And working with the family office has been fantastic. Richard is very, very personable. He is very well connected, and everybody on staff has just been very helpful.
It's been a real pleasure doing this, and anybody who's an investor like me, a private investor like me, is looking, credit investor of course, looking for more deal flow, this is the place to be.
And luckily, after I asked the question, after the panel, and then there's 4 family offices just came and tracked me down, and it has never happened before. It's usually the other way around. So
we weren't here an hour, and then I met a gentleman who wants to put money into my fund at the tune of about $5 million. And that's before anything that came from me being on stage. So, I mean, you know, the more I come here, the more value I'm seeing exponentially.
And you meet just, phenomenal folks, right? Like you meet family offices, private equity companies, high net worth individuals, billionaires. Like earlier today, I met the co-founder, Keller Williams. And you can accomplish more here in 30 minutes than you can literally spending months or over a year following people.
And I've now been a charter member for the Family Office Club for a couple of years, and it's been a tremendous experience.
Lots of good lessons on what the investors are looking for and how to communicate better with them. And so I think it's a very transparent process. And so we really appreciate Richard forming this company and putting it all together. It's been unbelievable, very eye-opening to see the different levels of capital that are out there, and and just the great relationships. It's been exciting.
Don't miss your opportunity to join this exclusive circle where networking, learning, and growth converge. Whether you seek investors and joint venture partners for real estate ventures, tech innovations, healthcare breakthroughs, manufacturing endeavors, wealth management funds, or alternative investments, this 3-day Super Summit is your golden ticket. Welcome to the 10th Annual Super Summit, where connections lead to opportunities. Reserve your spot now and become a part of this elite gathering. Visit our website to secure your ticket and unlock the realm of elite networking and investing. We eagerly await your presence at the Super Summit. Mark your calendars and let's shape the future of your capital investment opportunities together.